Today the topic of discussion is how to choose a welding machine. In choosing a welding equipment for your shop, first consider your amperage needs and the available power. While you may not need the most powerful machine available, keep in mind that in the future you may run into welding projects that require more amperage or power, or you may weld aluminium. What type of welder is best for a beginner? MIG welding, MIG welding for beginners. MIG welders are among the best type of beginners, as they are designed with a wire welding electrode on a spool that is fed at a pre-selected speed through a welding gun. As a semi-automatic or automatic process, gas metal arc welding (GMAW) or MIG is the easiest to learn. Which welder is better, TIG or MIG? MIG. TIG welds are better for thinner metals and smaller projects because they produce precise and clean welds. MIG welds work well with larger projects with thick metal that need longer continuous runs. Which is better, arc or MIG? In case you are going to work outside, the stick welding would be the better option, as it allows you to create a powerful enough arc that would not affected by the wind condition. However, if you are working on delicate metal that is less than 1/8 of an inch, then MIG welding is the best option. What are the four main types of welding? The four main types of welding are gas metal arc welding, GMAW/MIG gas, tungsten arc welding, GTAW/TIG shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, and flux core arc welding, FCAW. Is MIG better than stick? MIG and stick welding system can produce high quality welds, but the type of metal makes a big difference in which machine works better. For thinner metals, MIG welding is the better choice for creating a clean, strong joint. On thicker metals over 3/8 of an inch, the stick has better performance. Regarding welding, this is the only theory. It's better to know the theory before we go into the practicals. So I hope this helps you. Have a lovely day. God bless.